Aloha and welcome back again. This video, we're going to go through the MindTap assignments to kind of get you familiar with how MindTap works. So you should have already went into the MindTap Access, watched the video, read the handout, and registered for your MindTap site. Okay, so once you've done that, you can now access the site without having to log in right from this link. Okay, and I already have the site up. Okay, so this is my site. Your site might look a little different, but we have the same components. Okay, so for the first week one, we're looking at Microsoft Word. Okay, and I'm looking at it through I'm sorry, through this format and not the calendar or weekly format. This is the outline view, which is a little bit more easier, I feel. But in any case, we're looking at Word Module 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so when you click on Word, these are the three modules we're going to be doing this week. And when you click on Module 1, you have the reading. And then you have the SAM training and the Project A. Okay. What I also want to show you on the right-hand side of the screen is there's different tools that you can use as study guides, study tools, and then you also have your full book. Okay, so this is your e-textbook. You can look at it as a half book, or you can click on this icon here, and it comes out to a full book. You have your table of contents in the left right-hand corner, or you can just click the arrow button and go back and forth through your pages. If you want to minimize it back to a half size, you click the icon again, or you can just click the X to close it off altogether. Okay. So once you've done your reading and in the module, the link will actually take you to the readings that you need to do for each module. Okay, so when I click on the link, it takes me to my book, to module 1. Okay. Once I'm done with my reading, then you click on SAM training. This is a step-by-step instruction. Okay, so this screen here just gives you some instruction on what to expect. You click start. And if you can see the top left-hand corner, it tells you the tasks. So in this one, you have 60 tasks. So the first one is just to observe. So you're going to click the play. It's going to show you what it wants you to do. So you're just observing. You're not going to touch anything. And then a pop-up box is going to say, do you want to practice or do you actually want to do it? Okay. So once you click apply mode, then you actually have to do the exact same steps that you just watched. Okay. Once you're done and you've completed the task completely, then it moves you to task number 3. If you want to go back and forth, you can use these arrows up here, or you can scroll down on the menu button. Okay, so once you're done with all 60 tasks, click submit. Always click that submit button to make sure that you got your grade in. If you don't click that submit button and you close the screen, there's no guarantee that you're gonna have it in there. Okay. Okay. The next item is your projects. Projects are a little different. These come with instructions as well as the layout of what it wants you to create. But this is what you're going to do on your own computer without the MindTap system. Okay, so it says that you have a maximum number of submissions allowed, which is only 3. So if you find that you've completed the assignment once, it's not the grade that you wanted, then go back and redo it or correct it and resubmit. Okay? So you have up to 3 chances to do that. So when I click start, the first thing you're going to do is download all of these files. Okay? This is your instructions. It'll tell you step by step on what they need you to do. This is your file or the document that you're actually going to be working with. Okay, so the instructions are going to tell you how to make changes to that document. When you're done, you're going to save it to your computer and upload it to in this section here. Okay, so you can either browse your files and click it, or you can just drag and drop it in here. Once you do that, it's going to submit it for grading. Okay, and it's going to ask you upload files to SAM before submitting. Once you've uploaded it, it's going to have a submit button that you need to click on. Okay, so make sure again that you're clicking that submit, and then within minutes it should give you your grade. This is something that the computer is going to generate your grade for. Okay, so once you've done modules 1, 2, and 3, then you're done for the week. Now, I want to take you back to Laulima because there's one more assignment that's going to come up, and it's in your assignments workbook. I'm going to click off here. And these are your capstone projects. Okay, so in your syllabus that lists all of your assignments, you're going to have what's called capstone projects. Those you're going to be doing on your own, and it's going to be similar to a project A. It has a handout, and it's going to tell you what you need to complete. So for the MS Word capstone project, again, you're going to be creating a 1-page flyer. This is all the things that you're going to need to have on your flyer. Then you're going to upload it to Laulima. So remember, capstone projects go into Laulima. Okay? And this I will grade. Also, what is required in Laulima is your web page project and an internet research project. So for your web page project, we're actually going to be working with Wix.com. You're going to be building your own web page. It's going to be very simple, very brief, but like the MindTap, it's going to take some time. So don't wait until the last minute to complete it, because again, these take a lot of time to do. And so for your week 1 assignment especially, you have 6 assignments due, and as you saw in the SAM training, there's 60 different tasks. So it's going to take you a little bit of time. Don't wait until the last minute and then be inundated with a lot of assignments to try and rush and complete. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me. We can do a Zoom appointment where I can go through steps with you. If you have any questions, you're not sure about a particular assignment, or you just need some help with something. Okay. Otherwise, have a great week. I know that you'll be able to complete these assignments, and I will see you next week. Take care. Bye.